Alright, here's the update on my, small update on my tilapia and my aquaponics. I just got done feeding them. They're pretty active. I've been running into a few problems that I'm correcting as I go. It's all a learning experience. I think that they're going to be producing babies here soon because they're very territorial right now. They're fighting. They're gathering up their area, and I noticed that it seems like they're doing a dance that they normally do with each other, which is the females and the males will do a dance before they produce. But I don't know how easy it's going to be for them. This isn't the ideal situation of how I want them to produce. I have another idea. I'm just short on funds right now. But you'll see that I'm testing my pH levels. I'm at about 6.9. The temperatures, well, it's not working right now, but it's like 31 degrees Celsius. I checked it earlier, which I believe that's like 85 or something degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not sure. So that's that. And then I'm going to go check on the I got my kids out here and check on the plants right now. It's about 108 degrees out here right now, and I made some mistakes. I have like a white fly infestation right now, and I took some dish soap. I've read about it on the internet that it will actually help kill white flies because they're soft bodies. Well, it didn't kill them as much as it killed a lot of the leaves on my cucumbers right here. They're in bad shape, but they're coming back. It's just it was a bad thing to do. I don't think I diluted it enough. Either way, I've got another solution. I've got some ladybugs on the way, so maybe they can help with the infestation. But you can see that this is considered an 8-ball squash, and it's just an heirloom, and I'm just trying different things just to see how they grow. I've grown cucumbers before and was successful with it, but they didn't grow very well. A lot of them looked like this, but if you look at the newer leaves, and before I sprayed, they all looked like this. So they can grow very well. I was told they couldn't because they don't like the water. And this system's really new, so I'm surprised that everything is growing the way it is, because I didn't expect this. I thought it would be a lot worse because there's not as much nutrients in there as there should be. I'm actually the water's almost perfectly clean. My nitrate traits are very low. I got tomatoes right here, and that's another challenge I've had before. I've had a lot of bottom rot when I did hydroponics before, and I couldn't figure it out. Usually they say that it's a low calcium, but I think that it was an EB flow, so it would flood and drain, and it would get real hot in there, and I think that the tomatoes thought it was like a drought, so that'll happen during a drought also. So this is test phase. I don't think I'm going to have that problem this time. Got some watermelon right here. These are some peppers. I'm not sure if these are Anaheim or if they are jalapenos. Another tomato plant. Here's a zucchini right here. I believe that's also cucumber. I really like the cucumbers. The cucumber seeds that I've had are the same ones that I grew hydroponically, and they were delicious. And you'll see what I've done to compensate for my dissolved oxygen problem that I've been having. When it's real hot out, you don't get a whole lot of dissolved oxygen in your water, and what will happen is your fish will come up to the top, and it's just the baby ones are coming up to the top. The fingerlings, well, they're not really fingerlings anymore. Babies, I'd call them, I guess. I don't know what you call them. But they will come to the top, and they'll go for water, so I knew that my dissolved oxygen is really low, so I've run the system a lot more. It used to shut off periodically, but I stopped doing that so I can build up more oxygen. I've noticed that they don't come up to the top as much. They still do, but it's rare. And then you'll see I'm starting to blossom flower here. I just saw it. Where'd it go? It looks like we got a watermelon starting. Actually, that might even be a cucumber, because this looks like a cucumber. I just kind of planted everything everywhere. This is more of an experiment to see how well it would grow, and it's growing very well. And this is direct sunlight, 108 degrees, and look how well they're doing. And I shaded this one over here with an old shade screen I had for when I was doing my hydroponics. Well, that's about it, and we got a jet flying over. So I will talk to you later.